This is found footage horror, guys.
Wala.
What is this camera, bro? Just don't know how to find it, man. Let's go. Continue the adventure. What's that? Scout. What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts, bro?
Kind of fun, yet stressful, but
Sorry, alam mo. Pero it's a negative result. Low.
negative result.
Mission failed. You failed to acquire the object.
Yes, I failed. Pinayasan na ko.
So this is our protagonist, guys. This guy's name is Miles, aka Eyob / Yoglers, better known as Yoglers. So may special ability ni mo Yoglers.
I have no special ability but to make a scary face.
So ano may background ni mo, sa backstory mo?
I'm sorry.
Share us your story, bro.
I was a jerk. Idiot and
Para ma-interesting yung character ba? The Adventure of Miles Yoglers. Where are we next, guys?
we're heading to our class president named Riva Ann.
Commentary. Update.
If you can see this, that people is called nutrition master.
Continue.
Yawa!